So here we are starting out late morning of, I think, day 6 of our motorcycle trip. We stopped in San Juan in the region of La Union, on the map, La Union. Nice little surf town here on the west coast of Luzon. Decided to stay there for 2 nights just because it's nice to take a little break, chill out on the beach a bit. Water was nice. Just a very short, easy ride today. You know, that happens sometimes. We just a couple places that we want to see without missing out. So we only have about 135 kilometers to go today to a place called Vigan. It's supposed to be like an old Spanish colonial town. Looks kind of cool. Yeah, despite only being 135 kilometers, the GPS is expecting it to take us about 3 hours. So it's either going to be traffic, maybe some curvy roads, shitty roads, a combination of all of that. No idea.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Cove and the cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back, bro. All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe at a getaway. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-fold weight. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the time, got time for no day. Whoa. Too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left at. Can't remember anything.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can I get a Pepsi? Please.
Can I also have a coffee? One cafe?
This one, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine.
We will
Yeah?
put to the cup.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Sit here.
Sure.
Thank you, babe.
Oh man, look at this. It's like finding a little piece of Greece right in the middle of the Philippines. Who would have thought? Amazing. Santiago Cove. Oh, we just met some gentlemen in a coffee shop, not a coffee shop, roadside little food stop. And he said, drive by Santiago Cove on your way. It's not far out of your way, and take a look at it. So we're like, sure, drive along the coast. It'd be nice. Definitely was not expecting this. It's beautiful. Beautiful beach. I'm sure it's way off the tourist trail. You'd probably have the beach to yourself, just a few locals. Fantastic. And crystal clear water. What a great ride today has been. What a change from our previous ride. 2 days ago it was a rough ride, man. As hot as could be, dodgy seafood, making us feel a little under the weather, traffic, just not a very interesting ride or road. Today, whew, polar opposite, just beautiful mountain roads, coastal roads, just the weather's been cool, not much traffic. Just been having a blast. We're only about 10 kilometers away from our destination, but I honestly don't want today to end. Just want to keep on riding like this for another few hours. Hey Jack, you back there? Wave to the camera. Oh, I know, it was beautiful. I was thinking about stopping for, I don't know, a photo, a drone shot or whatever, but I'm just enjoying the ride. I don't want to stop. Yeah. Motorized vehicle, no entry. Well, that's not going to happen. Find a different way to our hotel, but I think our hotel is up this road, so we have to figure that out. Well, it tried taking me down to that road. How about this one? No entry. Okay, we got to come back around the other side. All right, well, here's our hotel. Look at that. Where do we park? Oh, horse-drawn carriage.
So, welcome to the Cordillera Inn. This is in Vigan, which is a kind of Spanish colonial town. Lots of old traditional wooden buildings, horses and carts, etc. So this room is about 35 bucks a night, USD. It's, as you can see, very spacious. The price includes breakfast, and basically, what more could you ask for? It's, I think tradition is the key word here, or traditional. So yeah, can't wait to go out and explore the town.
Jack and I are exploring the town of Vigan in Ilocos Sur right now. It's a really cool old Spanish colonial town. You can kind of see one of the old cathedrals behind me. They have a really cool old town with cobblestone streets that really keeps the charm from, I guess, probably what the town looked like hundreds of years ago when you're in the old town. So it's a cool, interesting little city. A nice change of pace from a lot of the other places you might stay or wind up in the Philippines. Jack, somehow you embody the English man on holiday look. You got your little shopping bag.
Fanny bag.
Got your fanny bag.
We call it a bum bag.
Your resort wear.
Do you want to have a drink? Do some beer? Like it? Perfect.
Did they actually answer any of your questions, or you just assume? You just say, yeah, perfect.
That was a yes. Thank you.
I think I actually go for a glass of wine, maybe more so than a
They
beer.
got wines by the bottle.
Like wine.
650 pesos.
Do a glass of wine, sir. Oh, I'd like to see it before you put it away. How does it just look and feel compared to the older one?
Feels about the same size. So I might, if it is, I'll stick the condom back on it.
Do you want to tell them why you have a brand new camera? In case they're interested.
So this morning at breakfast, I popped out to film some surfers, which we still didn't manage to film, and do some work, which I still haven't managed to do. I plugged in my GoPro to charge it for the trip, and it dumped on the floor. Fell about 2.5, 3 feet off a table. Bounced once. I didn't turn back on again. Brett did his best to reset it using some jiggery pokery, for want of a better word. Or worse.
Now, is that a new British term I'm not familiar with?
Might be a British term you're not familiar with. But anyway, it basically give up and die. So here we are with a brand new $600 GoPro Hero 11
And a 600 peso bottle of wine.
to drown my sorrows. So hopefully we'll be seeing some more incredible footage courtesy of this new bit of kit. which I didn't intend to buy.
It's questionable whether they've seen any incredible footage to date with how we filmed.
Yes, yeah.
But you'll see some footage.
Empty promises thus far. So here we are, in the heart of Vigan, and having a lovely dinner. We've had a melange of sausage. Not a euphemism. This is a genuine sausage fest. Resplendent with German mustard and everything else. Beers and that. Everyone's having a great time. Cobble streets, horses. Yeah, so basically, come on down, knock your socks off, because this is where it's at in downtown Vigan.
Technically, we start our night with the vegan longaniza, which is just a Filipino, specifically vegan variation.
It couldn't be less vegan. Yeah, I mean, vegan is
Not
the
the
place,
vegan. It's not the vegan
sausage.
you people are all thinking.
No. It's outrageously non-vegan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As far as vegan goes, the sausage.
It's an imposter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That said, if all vegan was like this vegan,
Oh,
you'd probably be a vegan.
like people stop bitching about it.
Yeah. You know, I'm so used to like so many. I don't know what the fuck to do, man. You get a fork and I'm used to the fork and knife, and now I've been here for so long. I get the fork and the spoon.
No
I also
need to
have a
swear.
fork and knife and a spoon.
No need to swear. You're on
Sorry.
YouTube. Come on.
Sorry, yes, I forgot. But now I have a fork and knife and a spoon, and it's like
Did it again.
a fork and knife and a spoon.
You said fork it.
God damn it.
It's beautiful. It's, you know, one of those roads that you must do if you're a motorcycle enthusiast. It's definitely an experience you won't forget.